In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Claude AI stuck on verification code. If you're stuck on the verification screen, don't worry. This is usually a browser, network, or session hiccup, not a problem with your account. We'll walk through a series of quick checks and fixes, starting with the simplest and moving to slightly more involved options, so follow along in order. Begin by refreshing the page and trying again. Press F5 or Ctrl plus R, then request a brand new verification code. Only enter the most recent code you receive because older codes expire quickly. Type it carefully and avoid pasting extra spaces from your email. Even a small typo will fail. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Verification requires a clean, consistent connection to the server. If you can, switch from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot or vice versa, and avoid weak or busy networks. If the signal drops during verification, the process can stall. If you're using a VPN or a proxy, turn it off for now. Some services block or delay verification attempts coming from VPN endpoints. After disabling it, reload the page and request a fresh code so the system sees your real location and IP. If the page still hangs, try another browser. Chrome, Edge, and Firefox are all good options. You can also open a private or incognito window, which runs without most saved data and extensions, helping rule out conflicts quickly. Old session data can cause a loop, so clearing your cache and cookies can help. On Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete, select cookies and cached images and files, then clear the data. Close and reopen the browser, return to the site, and request a new code. Check your email inbox carefully, including spam and promotions. Verification messages sometimes get filtered. If you find an older code, don't use it. Request a new one and enter only that latest email's code. If nothing arrives or the page still spins, wait a couple of minutes and try again. Short, temporary delays do happen in verification systems, and a brief pause often resolves them. Temporarily disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers. These can block essential scripts the page needs to validate your code. Turn them off, refresh, and retry. If the issue continues, try a different device, like your phone or another computer, and request the code there. And if it's still not working, it may be a temporary server issue. Wait and retry later, check Claude's status page if one is available, and reach out to support through Anthropic for help.